Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video I want to show 5 things to know in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, I will use football map. For example, let's move to inside for create new composition. And go to effects presets, search FXCC sphere. And select the CC sphere, let's use for texture map. And go to shading, ambient change 100%. So in this time, let's select this map and click for 3D layer. But this is flat 2D layer. So let me show how to fix this. Let's Ctrl Z, click selection tool. And right mouse, new and create new camera tool. Click OK. And let's select this camera 1. Right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null. So for move anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. Click selection tool and select this football map. Let's open inside. Open FX, CC sphere and rotation. Go to null, press R, open rotation also. So right now, select this rotation X and link to null object rotation X. Select rotation Y and link to null object Y rotation. And finally select this rotation Z. Let's link to null object Z rotation. So let's see. Okay, again this flat 2D. And select this football map. Let's right mouse, go to here and auto orient. And select orient toward camera. Click OK. Let's go to again null object, chain rotation. Okay, here we go. Right now we can chain rotation, like 3D and X rotation and Z rotation. Okay, that's good. Let's go to click text and write here motion design. And click selection tool. Let's hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move anchor point center. And click selection tool, go to window, enable align. And click this icon and this icon for move the object to center. Okay, so let's enable here title action save. Okay, nice. And let's go to FX presets, search here reptile. And select the CC reptile, let's use for text. And change expand right like this. And expand left. And down. And up. Okay, so right now let's go to FX presets, search effect CC cylinder. And select CC cylinder, let's use for text. And open radius. Change radius a little bit like this. And close radius, open rotation. Change rotation X. And right now we can make rotation Y animation like this. We can use time expression or with keyframes. Let's create keyframe rotation Y and go to 10 seconds. Change 1. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's select 5 seconds, press N and select work area. Okay, that's good. And let's open shading. We can change shading for better results. And open light. Change light direction. And intensity. Okay, let's go to FX presets, search effect glow. And select this glow. Let's use for text layer. And change glow settings. Okay, not bad, looks good. So guys, let's go to shape layers, hold this icon and let's create ellipse tool. Hold shift, make one ellipse and click selection tool. Let's change name 1 and go to enable title action save. And let's go to align, click this and this icon and let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Select two layers, press P, make new passing keyframe and go to here and let's move right this 2 layer and 1 layer. Go to again 10 keyframes select first keyframe, copy paste. And select keyframes, make easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast. Let's select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right for slowly keyframes. Let's more slowly. Okay, so in this time let's create new adjustment layer and go to FX preset, search FX fast box blur, select fast box blur. Let's use for adjustment layer and change blur radius 45. Let's see. Okay, let's search here matte choker and select matte choker. Let's use for adjustment layer again and change layer softness 10 and select these two shape layers, press S, change scale. Let's see. Okay, let's press P and go to middle and let's move to right and select this keyframe, move to left. Okay, very nice. Okay, go to here, press N for select work area. Let's see. Nice. So also we can make other liquids. Select the layer 2 and in this time let's Ctrl D, press P, select middle keyframe and move to down. Let's see. Nice. So guys, first of all, let's create new solid layer for background and add name background, color white, click OK and lock layer. Again, let's go to new and solid layer, select here yellow color, click OK and add name circle and click OK and go to mask tools, hold this icon, select this ellipse tool and hold shift, make one mask like this, clickation tool and select this circle for move anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon here, clickation tool and move to up. So right now let's press P, make new patching keyframe, go to 10 keyframes and move to down and go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. For go to frame by frame keyframes, click page down in keyboard and let's move to up. Go to 3 keyframes again, 1 to 3, copy middle keyframes, copy paste, select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, we have problem with last keyframes, select the last 3 keyframes, right mouse, go to keyframe interpolation, change current settings to linear, click OK. Nice. And select all keyframes again, go to graph editor, select first keyframe and make filing bold keyframe. Let's see. Nice. Back to keyframes and right now go to FX preset, search FX Scribble and select the Scribble. Let's use for circle solid layer and go to color. Let's select this yellow, click OK and let's open stroke options. We can play settings for better results. For example, change this 15 and variation 25. Okay, and spacing 8 or 12. Let's try chain 10. Okay, not bad. And spacing variation 35. Let's see. Okay, let's change this 25. Let's change a little bit. Let's change 10. Okay, very nice. And path overlap 8. Okay, not bad. And stroke width, let's change a little bit 5. And right now go to compensation, right mouse, select compensation settings and change frame rate 8. Click OK. Okay, let's back to compensation settings, change this 15. Click OK. Okay, this looks cartoon style. So guys, final part, I want to show how to make cursor animation. First, let's create new background layer. Select this solid, add name background and change color white. Click OK, again click OK and lock layer, select this cursor PNG, move to inside our composition, and press S change scale, and go to pen behind, move the anchor point here, and clickation tool. So in this time go to shape layers, hold this icon, select this rectangle tool, and make one rectangle like this, clickation tool, and let's move to center, go to align, click this and this icon. So let's change name button and go to text layer, let's write here start, click selection tool, change font size and put here. So select this start layer, let's link to button shape layer, select cursor, let's move to up here and move to down. Okay, in this time let's press P and make new position keyframe, and hold shift press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe, and go to some keyframes and move to here. So let's see. Okay, this very simple animation, and select keyframes, make ease, and go to graph editor, select this graph, let's make smooth graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes and go to middle and change curve like this. Change these lines for smooth animation. Let's say again. Okay, and in this time let's go to here, chain rotation like this, and go to back, chain rotation. Okay, chain a little bit rotation like this, and select rotation keyframes, make ease. Okay, not bad. And in this time select this cursor, let's hold shift press S, make scale keyframe, and go to 6 keyframes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change scale 24 or 22, go to 6 keyframes again, click here, write +6, click OK, and select first keyframe, copy paste, make keyframes ease. And let's see, select this work area. Okay, so right now let's make rotation keyframe and go to here, chain rotation a little bit like this, and go to here again, chain rotation. Okay, and go to here, select this last position keyframe, let's move to up. Okay, so select this button and go to here, let's press S, make scale keyframe, go to middle, change scale 90, and go to next keyframe, change 100%. Select keyframes, make ease. And let's select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right, and move to right a little bit. Let's see. Okay, nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.